Welcome back to our Excel Beginner to Advanced series. In today's video, we'll create our first spreadsheet and learn how to save it properly. Let's get started with Excel basics by creating a new workbook, entering data, and saving it. When you open Excel, you'll see the home screen with options to start a new workbook or open an existing one. For now, click on Blank Workbook to create a new spreadsheet from scratch. Now that we're in a new workbook, let's quickly review its layout. You'll see rows and columns creating a grid of cells where you'll enter data. Each cell has a unique reference, like A1, B2, and so on. Let's enter some sample data. For this example, let's create a mini budget. In cell A1, type item, and in B1, type cost. Then, add items in the rows below and assign a cost for each one. To make your data easier to read, let's do some quick formatting. Select the header row, go to the Home tab, and make the text bold. You can also adjust column widths to fit your text. Now that we have some data, let's save the workbook. Click on File in the top left, select Save As, and choose where to save it on your computer. Don't forget to give your file a name, like budget or something memorable. Excel lets you save in different formats. For most users, the default .xlsx format works best, but you can also save as .xls for compatibility with older versions or even .csv for data-only files. And that's it. You've created and saved your first Excel spreadsheet. In the next video, we'll go even deeper, so keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.